Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin with the essentials. Confirm which interpreter you'll use, for example Python 3, and open a terminal or IDE console now. Once done, make sure the target script or module is reachable in your working folder so runtime paths resolve. You'll execute minimal Python commands immediately. These reveal the actual file location, not guesses. Don't waste time searching file trees manually. Use Python itself to report where the file lives, so you get a definitive path. Now you run Python to inspect locations. You can print OS, path, obspath, file inside the script to return its exact path. Run the script so Python reports the real file system location. For installed modules, import inspect then print inspect. Get file module, that reveals the installed source file. Also check sys, executable and sys. Path to understand which interpreter and search paths led to the loaded module. These runtime queries show how Python resolved the file, which is why they are reliable. Finish by normalizing the path and confirming the final location. Once you have a path, call OS, path, real path, to resolve symlinks and get the canonical file. If inspect, get file raises errors that often means the object is built-in, frozen, or compiled. Check for pick, so, or package loaders instead. Make sure you run the same interpreter you plan to use for deployment, because different Python executables can import different files. This single consistent.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.